Here we go, fourth graders. Your learning target for writing is I can group related information in paragraphs. So what I'm going to show you is the newspaper story format example I've shown you the last couple days. And I'm going to show you how you can write that as an article. And you've got two options. I'm going to show you both. I will be posting these templates in just a minute. And one, I just kind of came up with the name, the Jefferson Gazette. And you can see here, this is my headline, Kahoot Party in Mr. Grant's Class. I write my name here, and then you put the date that we're going to publish this. We're going to publish this next Friday, so that would be December 22nd. Then, what I've done is I've written the date here, Fargo, North Dakota. You would not change that. And then to write this first paragraph, what I did was I looked at my format example, and I put the who, the what, the where, the when, and the why into a paragraph. So about Mr. Grant's class, the Kahoot party, Mr. Grant's classroom, it was Thursday, from walking quietly in the halls. So look at how I did this. Students in Mr. Grant's class are very excited last Thursday. So that references the who part of it and the when. They earned a Kahoot party which took place in the classroom. So that is the what and the where. They earned it for walking quietly in the halls. So that is the why. And I have all of that in there in my first paragraph. This, we're not going to worry about the pictures and the caption right now. We're going to come back to that later. Over here, my next paragraph, I took from the less important details and the least important details. So I've got everyone was part of the party, it was 20 minutes, it was on Disney characters, Mr. Grant won the game. So, here I have what is Kahoot. It is a game that students play in Chromebooks. It asks a question and the students answer. If they get it right, they're in points. The faster they answer, the more points they get. And I have too many spaces. Maybe not. And then I added a paragraph because otherwise, if I didn't have this, it would be a lot of blank space. This game was about Disney characters. Or I'm sorry, this is the least important details. This game was about Disney characters and took 20 minutes. It was reported Mr. Grant won the game. This is a game that has been played before and will be used in the future to reward good behavior. So here I'm just kind of explaining what Kahoot was. I realized I didn't explain it to people that don't know about it. You'll notice that there's a lot of empty space here, and that's because in an article, usually you'd have a bunch of articles right next to each other, and so we'll cut these down when they get printed so it's not a big, so that half the page isn't blank. We will get to the picture part once you have written the article. If this style is what you want to do, awesome. If not, I've got a different template that follows very similarly what I did. It's just a little bit different style up here. You can see the price is 5 cents, so it's cheap. And I have basically the same thing. And here it just looks a little bit different. And I have grouped my my paragraphs by related information. This stuff's all related. Here this is telling about Kahoot. This is telling a little bit more about the game. And this is about when the game has been used for. I added a little bit more here because this was going to be pretty short. This is where you would put your picture. So either way, you're going to get to do a picture. It's really which one you want to do. So, using your format example, I want you to pick one of those templates and start filling it in. See you in group.